From June 16th to June 30th, Aries experiences a surge of dynamic energy, making it an ideal time to push forward in your career. Mars, your ruling planet, fuels ambition and assertiveness, encouraging bold steps toward your goals. Mid-month, a powerful alignment between the Sun and Jupiter boosts confidence and opens doors to new opportunities. However, by late June, pace yourself. High energy levels may lead to burnout if not managed. Relationships at work could shift. Stay adaptable. Emotionally, focus on balance as personal matters intensify around the full moon on June 28th. Trust your instincts and maintain open communication. This period calls for action, but also moments of reflection to sustain long-term momentum.